Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Jamaican festival. Yes! Alright, so let's start off. Right in my bowl I have my flour. I'm adding my cornmeal to that. I'm going to be adding some salt. I'll have everything listed in the description box below, so please do check that out. My brown sugar. Baking powder, and nutmeg. Alright, give that a good stir to combine. Any lumps in there you can go in with your hands. If you're just going in with your bare hands, make sure you wash your hands properly, and if you're using gloves, then go ahead. Okay, so here I'm adding some margarine. You can use butter as well, but my go-to is margarine. Okay, add some vanilla extract to that, and my milk. Give that a good knead to combine. So you're basically going to be forming a dough. Okay, you don't want to be too sticky or too dry. In between is perfect. So just pour the milk bit by bit and work it in until the dough is nice and soft but not sticky. Okay, alright, so here I have my oil preheated. I'm just going to pinch a piece of my dough and roll it in my hand, and then roll it in a log shape. Keep doing that, but do not overcrowd the pot. Okay, give these a quick flip after you've finished adding your last one so they don't stick to the bottom of the pot, and make sure your heat is on medium. Okay, you don't want these to fry up too quickly, or else they'll be golden brown on the outside and uncooked on the inside, right? Once in a while, give it a turn so you know they're being fried up properly, and yeah, on both sides. Once it's nice and golden brown, then it will be ready to be taken out. is done. I have my colander lined with paper, so I'm just going to be adding these to it so to drain the excess oil. Okay, so now my first batch is done. I'm just going to repeat the same thing with the second batch. Alright, and I basically had mine with fried fish, which is normal for that pairs with this back home. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.